How to remove directory context menu added by Visual Studio 2017. I have installed Visual Studio Community 2017 RC on Windows 10. After installing, it added a new context menu when right-clicked on any directory. I want to remove this option, but can't seem to find it from Versa's 2017 settings.
This answer is originally from here, and I am just reproducing it here for sake of brevity. Use the Windows Registry Editor to delete two keys. You may want to back up your registries before going for a delete operation, just a good practice.
Run regedit.exe, go to hkey_classes_root /directory/background/shell/anycode, take ownership of this key, change the permissions for your account and add a word, 32-bit, with the name hide based on Velocitiad and set the value to 0066988A6, hex. When you now do a right-click, the entry is gone. Delete entry or rename it to show based on Velocitiad to enable the entry again.
From Bryson Gibbons on the Microsoft forums. Another option, if you don't want to just delete it or can see it being sometimes useful but don't want it cluttering up the context menu, is to move it to the extended context menu, where it is only visible with Shift plus right-click. Using the Windows Registry Editor, add a new string value under each of the following keys, with the name extended. You should then see the following contents when either of the above registry keys are selected. After doing this, you will only see Open in Visual Studio on folder/directories when you hold down Shift, then right-click.
You can use Shell Menu View to find this context menu entry and disable it. Download the program for your OS, 32 or 64-bit, and run the shumview.exe executable. Find in the list something that has to do with Visual Basics and seems to be this entry. You can sort the list by file type and look on the entries under with file type directory. Right-click that entry and select Disable selected items.
Based on the answer by Blaze, instead of searching for keys with the registry editor, just copy this into an empty file with a .reg file extension and execute that file to delete the keys.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.